evening to my dear students. Presently, as we all know, we are fighting against COVID-19 coronavirus. I would request all my students to be at home, stay safe. I, Ms Varada, starts this morning session with English. As we all know, when two people talks, they make use of different words. It is only because of these words that a sentence become meaningful and understandable by others. These words can therefore be called as different parts of speech. Parts of speech which we are going to deal today. So tell me, children, do you all know how many parts of speeches are there? Exactly, there are 8 parts of speech. They are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, conjunction, interjection, and preposition. So now in the screen you can see the 8 parts of speech. Number 1, noun. Number 2, pronoun. Number 3, adjective. Number 4, verb. Number 5, adverb. Number 6, conjunction. Number 7, interjection. And number 8, preposition. Yes, so I would like all my students to recall the 8 parts of speech. Number 1, noun. Number 2, pronoun. Number 3, adjective. Number 4, verb. Number 5, adverb. Number 6, conjunction. Number 7, interjection. And number 8, preposition. Now let's go in detail to the different parts of speech. Number 1, nouns. The first part of speech, noun, which is quite familiar to y'all as y'all have learned it from your lower classes. So nouns refers to a person, place, thing or idea. Example, America, car, John, rabbit. I repeat, nouns refers to a person, place, thing or idea. Example, America, car, John, rabbit. Now going on to the next part of speech, pronoun. Pronoun. A pronoun is a word which is used in place of a noun. Example, Rahul is absent because he is ill. I repeat, a pronoun is a word which is used in place of a noun. Example, Rahul is absent because he is ill. Here, the word he is used instead of the noun Rahul. Moving on to the third, adjective. Adjectives. Adjectives are words that are used to describe or modify nouns or pronouns. Example, they live in a beautiful house. I repeat, adjectives are words that are used to describe or modify nouns or pronouns. Example, they live in a beautiful house. Here, the underlined word beautiful represents adjective. Moving on to the next part of speech, verb. Verbs. I suppose verbs are even quite familiar to everyone. Verbs are words used to describe an action, state, or occurrence. Example, he ran away. Can my student state which is the verb here? Exactly, ran is the verb here. So I repeat, verbs are words used to describe an action, state, or occurrence. Example, he ran away. Now the next part of speech is adverb. Adverb. From the very name itself, it's very clear that adverb is a word that modifies or describes a verb. Example, he sings loudly. I repeat, adverb is a word that modifies or describes a verb. Example, he sings loudly. Here in the sentence, the underlined word loudly represents adverb. And here, sings is the verb. Your next part of speech, conjunction. Conjunctions. It is a word that joins words, phrases, clauses, or sentences. Example, but, and, so, or. I repeat, conjunction. It is a word that joins words, phrases, clauses, or sentences. Example, but, and, so, or. I would like to state a sentence also as an example. She bought a shirt and a book. I repeat, she bought a shirt and a book. In this sentence, the underlined word and is the conjunction. The next part of speech, interjection. Interjection. This is quite very simple. Words that are used to express strong feelings or sudden emotions. Example, hooray, sorry, alas, wow, oops. I repeat, interjection. These are words that are used to express strong feelings or sudden emotions. Example, hooray, sorry, alas, wow, oops. And the last part of speech, preposition. Preposition. It is the word that is used to link nouns, pronouns, or phrases to other words within a sentence. Example, I prefer to read in the library. Number 2, he swam across the pool. I repeat, preposition. It is a word that is used to link nouns, pronouns, or phrases to other words within a sentence. Example, I prefer to read in the library. He swam across the pool. So in the two sentences, the underlined words in and across represents preposition. Before we wind up, let's have a quick recap on today's topic. Parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech. Number 1, noun. Number 2, pronoun. Number 3, adjective. Number 4, verb. Number 5, adverb. Number 6, conjunction. Number 7, interjection. And number 8, preposition. Yes, so here is a small exercise awaiting you, my students. I request all my students to write the answers in a paper and message me in my WhatsApp personally. Thank you.